Sri Lakshmi Pride. Pride is located on Besa Pipla Road. Sri Lakshmi Pride is one of the most sought after location. It's even closely connected to Besa Square with close proximity to food joint like Haldiram, K Sera Sera Multiplex and huge departmental stores like Big Bazaar. Also renowned schools like Adarsh Sanskar Vidyalay and K. John Public School are also located nearby. It is a thing to note that most of the fastest development in the city is taking place on Besa Pipla Road. The residential complex had 3 towers named as Ruby, second tower as Pearl and tower in the front as Neelam. There is a convenient shopping present in the tower named as Neelam. Developed in a modern elevation, simple yet elegant, the Sri Lakshmi Pride offers some of the best specifications in the industry. Majestic gate with 24 hours security guard and CCTV cameras welcome you into the gated community. Wide internal driveways are something most desirable at Sri Lakshmi Pride. As we move inside the complex, you will find a ramp that is being provided for parking of 2-wheelers on the podium level. The 2-wheeler parking on the podium level will be sufficient enough for all your vehicles. As we enter the apartment building, we are greeted by Use Lobby. From lobby, we enter into the apartment offering spacious living room and a well-planned kitchen. This is a spacious master bedroom with a toilet attached to it. This is a spacious bedroom . Sufficient side margins have been provided for the proper movement of vehicle inside the campus. Proper light and air ventilation is also available to all the apartments. Sufficient balconies have been provided to each of the accommodation. Wherever possible, we have taken all the efforts to make sure that some bigger balcony are also present to the flat owners. As we move towards the back side of the complex, we see the club building. At the one side on the green turf is the green gym. The children's play area has also been sufficiently provided behind the club building. The green gym will be a perfect place for all the youth for regular stretching and exercise. The senior citizen area is also located here for grandpa and grandma to have a little chat. Half basketball court has also been provided for the sports enthusiast. So now, don't think otherwise and just start playing. Moving into the clubhouse, the ground floor of the clubhouse can be used as a yoga room in the morning as well as a party hall in the evening. The party hall can accommodate some simple birthday as well as kitty parties for the occupants. On the first floor, we offer open sit-out in the club. This is just the best place for a casual chat with your friends and colleagues over the coffee. As we move inside the clubhouse, at Sri Lakshmi Pride is equipped with the gym for those fitness-crazy youth. We also provide an indoor children's play area for the toddlers at Sri Lakshmi Pride. Solar power is available at the project for common amenities area. All the fire safety norms has also been followed in the complex. Sri Lakshmi Ventures Private Limited has left no stone unturned to make this the most prestigious complex in Hudkeshwar. We have been offering and living up to the standards as per the reviews of our past clients. We request you to be the part of Sri Lakshmi Pride and take your life to a new high. Thank you. Presentation by Digital Multimedia Technologies.